Welcome back to the Hit Squad Off-Road channel. Today is day 3 of EJS. It ended up raining last night, so a lot of the scheduled trail runs for today were canceled. I believe Rock Krawler originally planned to do Behind the Rocks today, but due to the rain, they just decided to do Fins and Things. It was a nice and chill trail run. Fins and Things is rated as a 4 out of 10 for difficulty. They have a few obstacles that's rated as a 6 for difficulty. The trail is about 10 miles long. It felt great just to get out the trail with people. No wild obstacles, no crazy rock crawling on this trail, just chilling and vibing with folks.
Yeah, we'll let this guy pass us right here.
It was pretty fun speeding through certain sections. What wasn't fun was trying to keep up with 2 V8 equipped JLs, but I did love hearing those V8s roar. Future plans for my JT, but don't tell the missus.
Should we go right then?
Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the Linktree link in the description. There you'll find a link to the Instagram page to see what the Hit Squad has been up to. You will also find a link to the Facebook group page for our up and coming scheduled trail runs if you ever want to roll with us if you're in Southern California. Stay tuned for day 4 of EJS as I hit the pickle for the first time with the Gen Right crew. Thanks for watching. We out.